hotel. First hotel in Richmond on this weekend. So, I'm at the Fairfield in Innsbrook. It's Richmond, Virginia. Not too far from Short Pump Shopping Mall Station. So, first, we'll start with the bathroom. This is a king room, standard king room, not a suite. So let's just start with the bathroom. Of course, you have your essentials. I love the wallpaper, texture wallpaper. You have your shower, your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that good stuff. Standard bathroom, toilet. I just walked in, so they just cleaned it. So that's why the seat is up. Then you have nice mirror, nice sink, nice and clean. And here we have a king bed. Nice. It's a nice, standard king size room. Nothing too fancy. We have a little closet here. Pull open. The old. And my luggage. Come with a nice iron board and iron hangers. So yeah, you have nice little desks. They don't match, but it's okay. They serve a purpose and it works. Bed looks pretty clean. Kind of. What is that? Makeup. Not that much, but should be looking for the bed bugs. Make sure there's no bed bugs here. I'm only staying for a few hours since I got in late, but still, look for no bed bugs. Okay. Then we have, standard TV, nice desk and chair, lamps all around. I think I turned on every lamp in the hotel. You have your coffee maker. You also have a refrigerator and microwave. So here's your microwave with ice bucket cups. Oops, that was loud. In your little refrigerator. I don't think this was closed. That's probably why it's hot. Well, won't be using that anyway. Phone. Let's see if this one works, because the other one didn't. It does not work, and it's not that clean. And you also get a little gift bag when you check in. And they give you water, chips, and little cookies. Or granola. Oh, trail mix. Cool. So that's pretty cool. Thank you. I need that because it's late at night. And this is the view that I have. I'm on the front side of the hotel. Yes, it snowed. It snowed today. And the convenient thing about this one is it's located by a Sheetz gas station, but the Sheetz also has they really have a good little snack food. You get a Caesar chicken wrap, French fries, hamburgers. They make it all to order. So that's very convenient. I would walk over there, but I didn't bring my boots. And it's still snow in that parking lot. So I have a high chance of falling in that parking lot and hitting my head on that cement. Not going to do that. Ooh, so that man walking. So that is the hotel review for the Fairfield Inn Marriott, Innsbrook, located near Short Pump. All right.